Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to create college photo on Facebook story. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and tap on the Facebook application. And once you are inside the Facebook application, you will be appear with somewhat like this on your screen interface. So in order to create college photo on Facebook story, what you gotta do is click on that create a story and add the photo you would like to add. Now in order to create a collage, click on that stickers type of emoji option, and from there you can see images type of sticker. Click on it and add a new photo from your gallery and adjust it. Once it's successfully adjusted, you can add your music, you can write anything, you can even add stickers and many more, and you can share it on your Facebook profile or share it on your Facebook story. So this is how easily you can create college photo on Facebook story. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If yes, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.